Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious French toasts. It's a very simple, quick, and affordable recipe. So let's see what ingredients I'm going to use to make these French toasts. And guys, let me know in the comments if you've ever made homemade French toast. I have some bluebonnet butter. I use it to bake and also as a spread on my toast, but you can use any butter of your choice. Guys, what kind of butter do you guys use on a daily basis? Next, I have one of my favorite, some clover honey. You can also use any honey of your choice. Next, I have some allspice. It's a combination of spices. You could find it in your local grocery store in the baking section. It gives your food a beautiful flavor. Next, I have 2 large brown cage-free eggs. You can use any eggs of your choice. Guys, let me know in the comments below what kind of eggs do you guys buy. Next, I have some silk coconut milk because I cannot tolerate regular milk, but you can use a milk of your choice. Lastly, I have 4 slices of brioche bread. I love to use this bread because the slices are thick and the bread is soft. You can also use regular white bread or any bread of your choice. I'm adding my eggs to a bowl and I'm using this egg cracking technique that I have not mastered yet. What do you guys think? Did I master it or what? I'm adding half a cup of milk. I'm whisking both ingredients together until I can no longer see my 2 egg yolks. So now let's add some flavor. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. I'm adding a little sweetness to it with 1 tablespoon of my honey. And guys, this is totally optional. You don't have to use honey. And I'm going to whisk all my ingredients together. Let's not forget our last ingredient, which is half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using my whisk to mix it throughout the egg mixture. I'm melting 2 teaspoons of butter in a non-stick pan on medium heat. I'm dipping my slice of bread in the egg mixture and I'm making sure that both sides are saturated with that egg mixture. Once I'm done, I'm placing it in the melted butter. I'm reducing my heat and I'm cooking each side for 2 minutes. Once one side is brown, I'm going to flip it over to cook the other side. I wish you guys could really smell this aroma that's coming from this French toast. My kitchen smells like a bakery. This next step is optional. I'm just making sure my sides are cooked and has a little bit of crisp to it. I'm going to repeat these steps with the remainder of my bread. So guys, let me know what is your favorite breakfast food. So guys, this is what I got so far. I've cooked 3 of them. Look at that beautiful brown color. So now I'm on my last French toast. So guys, they are finally done. I am so ready to eat, but before I do so, we have to dress them up. So I'm going to top it off with some powdered sugar. Yum, yum, yum. All it's missing is a drizzle of pancake syrup. Look at that, y'all. Tell me in the comments what y'all think. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.